Reckless girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. Gracie Abrams, always happy to have her here, especially when she released new songs. And look at my life, look at her life, it's a great life probably. So let's go into this with capo on third. Before we move on with this tutorial, I need to highlight my new YouTube channel, Gordon Guitar 6 streams ago. If you're a follower of me here on Gordon Guitar, you probably heard about that new channel, and that's why I need you guys to be there as well. Gordon Guitar 6 streams ago, that's the name of that YouTube channel. We have a link up here somewhere, so go and support me there as well. And that's the best way to thank me for the work I'm doing here. So thank you, and now let's focus on Gracie. 4 chords only and different variations creates this great song. So we have capo on third. Let's go over the chords, starting with D first. D, go open D, second G, third B, and second E. That's how it goes. Next chord is the G. That will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have B minor, which is a bar chord. So you place the index finger on the second fret like this, and you push down all strings except from that last E string in the bass. You don't need that one. And then you need to add fourth D, 4th G, and 3rd B. And finally we have the A. Open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have a simple way of playing these chords. So if you grab the first chord D, we're going to play down, up, down, up. Okay, that's a couple of rounds. And if you notice, I tried to highlight that second and last down. So I go and push that all the way down to the higher strings on that down. And all other downs, I try to stay in the mid bass area. It's hard maybe with the D specifically because it just covers 4 strings. But for the A and G and B minor, you have more strings to separate the bass notes from the high notes. So for instance, G. Alright, hope that makes sense. That will give it this certain rhythm you need. So let's go into this actual song. First verse, you're going to play D, 4 string rounds, G, 4, A, 4, and G, 4. Okay, so that is 1 chord progression round. You're going to play 2 rounds of that. So it goes like this. Alright, so 2 rounds of that. First verse, now into the pre-chorus, about 27 seconds in. Do I look high functioning? That's her sentence, not mine. So we're gonna go into the B minor and play 2 rounds of that. Then A2 and G, 4 string rounds, okay? You're gonna play that B minor 2, A2, and G4 for 2 rounds. Let's do 1 round together like this. Repeat that for 2 times. So that is the pre-chorus, and then we hit the chorus at 40 seconds sharp. But oh well, look at my life. That's the lyric right now in the chorus. And what you're gonna play now is D2, G2, B minor 2, A2. Play that chord progression for 4 rounds. Let's do one round together. It goes like this. Alright, so that's the first round. Second round, pretty much exactly the same. So 2 rounds in the verse, 2 rounds in the pre-chorus, 4 rounds in the chorus. Yes, that is how you do it. And then you're gonna hit that bridge part. And what you're gonna play there is chorus play. So you hit that about 2 minutes and 5 seconds in. And you play that for 4 rounds, and then you're gonna finish off the song with another third and final chords for 6 rounds. So basically, you're gonna play a lot of rounds of the chords play. D, G, B minor, A, 2 short rounds per chord, and that's it, guys. Doesn't have to be hard than that. Gracie Abrams, Look at My Life. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tune.